Hello everyone. In previous lecture you had learned how to represent the set by roster method and set builder method. But today in this video you will learn how to represent the set by Venn diagram. So let's start. Suppose I had given two sets here. First set is set A. In these sets 1, 2 and 3 elements are given. Another set is B set. In this set 4, 5 and 6, these three elements are given. So in order to represent these two sets in the same Venn diagram, first of all you have to check which elements are common in both. In A 1, 2 and 3 are given, and in B 4, 5 and 6 are given. In both the set A and B nothing is common. Here it is 1, 2, 3 and here it is 4, 5, 6. That means no number is common in both. So such sets are called A and B sets are disjoint set. So such set in which no member is common, so those sets will called disjoint set. And how we will represent these disjoint sets with the Venn diagram? For this you have to draw two circles. First circle is of A, separate circle we will make for B. In the A circle we will write here 1, 2 and 3, and in the B circle we will write 4, 5 and 6. So this is the way to represent the two sets which are disjoint with the help of a Venn diagram. So this is the first way to represent in Venn diagram. Now take one more example. Let's say second example. Suppose A set is given 1, 2, 3 and in B set 3, 4 and 5 is given. So here A set is 1, 2 and 3 and here in B set 3, 4 and 5 are given. So first of all we have to check any number is common in A and B or not. So we will check this 3 is common in both the set, A set also and in B sets also. So 3 is common in both, so we will call that A and B are overlapping set. So such sets in which at least one member is common, so we will call those set as overlapping set. Now how we will show them with the Venn diagram? For this we will draw a circle like this. First circle and second circle will cut this first circle. Like this we have to draw for overlapping set. On first circle we will write A and on second circle we will write B. Now next step is, first of all we have to fill this part. This much part is coming in this circle also and in this circle also. That means this much part is common in both the circle. And which number is common in both the circle? 3. So that means in this part we have to write 3. Now after that we have to write the remaining elements of A here. A is 1, 2 and 3. 3 we had already written. So remaining elements are 1 and similarly we have to do here also. In B 3, 4 and 5 are given. 3 we had already written. So now we will write here 4 and 5. So such representation of Venn diagram is called overlapping. Now third type is subset. Suppose first set A is given 1, 2, 3 and in B it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will observe that all the members of A set, that means 1, 2 and 3, these all members of A are coming in B. Here we can check, here it is also written 1, 2 and 3. That means all the members of A are coming in B. So such sets are called A and B are subset. So for subset what you have to remember, all the element of one set should be in the another set. As we are taken here, A set is 1, 2 and 3. All these three members are coming in B also. That's why A and B are subset, or we can say A is subset of B. How we will read it? We will read it A is the subset of B. Now how we will draw Venn diagram? For Venn diagram, two circles we have to make, but here you have to draw first circle like this and second circle we have to make inside. Now where we have to write A and where we have to write B? In B set extra elements are there. Here it is 1, 2 and 3. But in B 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These two elements are extra. That means B set is large. So large circle will be B and smaller circle will be of A. Now next step is we have to fill this part first, middle part. So A, what is A? A is 1, 2 and 3. So inside this circle we will fill 1, 2 and 3. Now come to circle B. In the B set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. In the B we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But in this circle 1, 2 and 3 we had already written. That means this circle is also inside B. That means 1, 2 and 3 belong to B also. So 1, 2, 3 are over. Now here outside the circle we have to write 4 and 5. So like this we have to represent subset. So now we will start solving some questions. So question number first is, this is the Venn diagram. Venn diagram is given in the question. First part is write the set A in roster method. So we have to write the set A in the roster method. So for roster method we have to write all the elements in the braces, bracket we have to use. The name of the set is set A. So first of all we have to write A alphabet. Then we will write the elements of the set A. Inside the circle A, small b and small c are written. So we will write here elements of set A are small a, b and c. So this is the answer of first part. Second part, write the universal set in the tabular form. Tabular or roster, both are same. So he said we have to write the universal set. Universal means whole, complete. That means this full rectangle we have to write in the universal set. So for universal set we have to take U. Which elements are coming in this rectangle? A, B, C, E, F. A, B, C, E and F. So this is the answer of part number second. Third part, fill in the blanks with belong to and not belong to sign. First part is A dash A. Is this small a is coming in the set A? We have to check. This is the circle of A. Small a is coming, that means we have to fill here belong to sign. E dash A. This E is not coming inside the circle of A, that means E does not belong to A. So like this you have to do question number first. Now see question number second. Question number second. First part is write the set M and P in tabular form. We have to write both the sets M and P in the tabular form. So what we will do, we will write M is equal to curly bracket inside this circle. This is the circle of M. So this full circle we will check which numbers are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all numbers are coming in the circle of M. So we will write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next is we have to write the set P also. So we will write P. Which circle we have to check now? We have to see this circle. This is circle P. So in this circle 2, 3, 4, then 6, 7, 8. These are the elements which are coming in set P. This is the P set. So here, how many numbers are coming in this circle? 2 is coming, 6 is coming, 3, 7, 4, 8. So all these numbers we have to write inside the P set. Now second part is write the member common to A and B. Second part is we have to write common members in A and B. So which members are common, those members we have to write. Common, if we will take this circle and we will see this circle, so in both the circle this much part is common in both. When we will check this circle also and this circle also, this much part will come inside both the circle. So we will write here common members are 2, 3 and 4. So like this you have to do question number 2. Now see question number 3. Venn diagram is given in question number 3. This is the set A, this is set B. In B it is written small p, q, r, and here it is written s, t. So this is the figure which is given in the question number 3, and write the set A and B in tabular form. First part is we have to write the set A and set B in the tabular form. So we will write set A. So where is the circle A? First of all we have to check circle A. This is circle A. So inside this circle which alphabets are coming, all those alphabets we have to write. So in this circle small s, in this circle T, but inside this circle is also there. So we have to write these elements also, P, Q and R. P, Q and R. Now B side. B is this circle. So in this circle P, Q and R is coming. So we will write here P, Q and R. Now second part is write the member common to A and B. We have to write common members. Common members means those members which are coming in A also and in B also. So this much part is coming inside A circle and this much part is coming inside B circle also. So that means in the common you have to write P, Q and R. You can check from Venn diagram also and you can check from here also. You check here A and B. P is written here also and here also. Q is written, R is written. That means these three alphabets are coming in A and B. That's why these three alphabets are common members. So like this you have to do question number 3. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6. Set X is given and here it is written X such that X belong to W. W means whole number and X is less than 5. So this is the set X. So first of all we have to solve it. Which format is given here? This is the set builder form. We have to write in roster or tabular form. So in the set X we have to write the whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are those which starts from 0. X is less than 5. So we have to write all the whole numbers that are less than 5. So we have to write here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These all whole numbers are less than 5. Now after that in question it is given Y. Y is equal to X such that X belong to Z and X is greater than equal to minus 2, less than equal to 2 So what is the set y? Set y is x belong to z. Z means integer. Integer means we can take positive number also, we can take negative number also, we can take 0 also. And how we will read this? We will read from here. X, open sign is there, open means greater. X is greater than equal to minus 2. We have to write greater than equal to minus 2. Equal to sign is there, so we will take minus 2 also, and we have to write greater number also. Greater than minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. And how we will read this? X, close sign is there, that means x is less than equal to 2. We have to write all the number which are less than and equal to 2. So less than and equal to sign is there, so we can take 2 also. That means 0, 1 and 2. Till here we have to write in the set y. Now after that deciding question, represent them by a Venn diagram. We have to draw Venn diagram. So for Venn diagram we have to check the elements of x also, and we have to check the elements of y also. So first step is we have to check whether any number is coming common in x and y or not. 0 is coming in this? Yes. 1 is coming? Yes. 2 coming? Yes. How many numbers are coming in both x and y? 3 numbers. Commons are coming. That's why how we will draw Venn diagram? We will draw the Venn diagram like this. First circle, second circle. Like this we have to draw, because common, how many members are common? 3 members are common. That's why we have to draw the figure like this. Name of first set is x, so we have to write here x. The name of second set is y, so on second circle we have to write y. Now first of all we have to fill common part. Common means here, this much part we have to fill first. Which number are common? 0 is common, 1 is common, and 2. We can check here. 0, 1, 2. Here also 0, 1 and 2. These 3 numbers are common in both. So first of all we will fill here 0, 1 and 2. So common part we have to fill here. Now next step, remaining numbers of x we have to fill here. In x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 0, 1, 2 we had already written. Now which numbers are remaining? 3 and 4. So we have to write here 3 and 4. Now we will check for y. In the y circle 0, 1, 2 is already coming. So no need to write these again. We have to write only minus 2 and minus 1. So this is the final solution of this question number 6. So like this you have to do the question number 6. Now see question number 8. In this question, x set is given 2, 4, 6. Y is also given 3, 6, 9. Z 4, 8, 12 and 16. Identify disjoint and overlapping. We have to identify which sets are disjoint and which are overlapping, and we have to show them by Venn diagram also. We have to draw Venn diagram also. So first part is x and y. So first of all we have to check whether x and y sets are overlapping or disjoint. So for that we have to check common x and y. X set 2, 4 and 6. Y is 3, 6, 9. Which numbers are coming in common in these two? 6. 6 is coming common here also and here also. 6 is common. So what you will write here? One member, or we can write element. One element of x set is coming in y set, so it is overlapping. Or directly you can write 6 is common in both the sets x and y. 6 is common, so it is overlapping. Like this also you can write. Now we have to draw Venn diagram also. Common is coming, so we have to draw Venn diagram like this. First circle, second circle. The name of first set is x and the name of second set is y. Now after that we have to fill common part first. Which element is common in these two? 6. So we have to fill here 6. In the x, 2, 4 and 6 are there. This is the circle of x. We have to fill 2, 4 and 6. But 6 we had already written. So we will fill here 2. And in y, 3, 6, 9 are there. Y circle is this. 6 is already written. So we will fill here 3 and 9. So this is the first part. Now second part is y and z. Where is y? This one. Z, this one. In y, 3, 6 and 9 are there. But here 3 is not there. 6 is also not there. 9 is also not there. That means no number is common. So what you will write? No element is common in both the set, so it is disjoint. For disjoint we have to draw Venn diagram also. So for disjoint, separate circles we have to make. First one here, second one here. This is y and z. So on first we have to write capital Y and on second we have to write capital Z. Inside y, 3, 6, 9 and in z, 4, 8, 12, 16. So this is the final answer of this second part. Now part number third, z and x. Z and x. In the x, 2, 4 and 6 are written. And in z, 4, 8, 12, 16. We will observe that 4 is coming in both the set. 4 is common in both the set. 2 is not there. 6 also not there. That means in x and z, 4 is common. So what you will write? You will write here 4 is common in both sets. So z and x are overlapping. That's why z and x are overlapping. Now we have to draw Venn diagram also. So we will draw here one Venn diagram. Here we will write x and here this is x, this side is y, but this figure is of disjoint, but we have to, common is coming, that's why we will not make this figure, we have to make such figure, this one. So overlapping figure we have to make x and y, like this we have to make. In the center we have to fill common. What is common? 4. So here we will fill 4. This first circle is of x. X is 2, 4 and 6. 4 we had already written. So here we will fill 2 and 6. Now second circle is of y. Z and x we have to write x and here we have to write z. Z and x we have to check. So first circle is of x, second circle is of z. So in z, which elements are there? 4, 8, 12 and 16. 4 is already written, so we will fill here 8, 12 and 16. So this is the final solution of this part number 3. So like this you have to do question number 8. Now see question number 11. So this is question number 11. Draw Venn diagram to represent the set U. U means universal. So universal set is X is the letters of the word entertainment. So first of all we have to solve this universal set. We have to write U. This is the set builder form. We have to write in roster form. So we have to write the letters of the word entertainment. So E is coming, E alphabet, N, T, E we had already written, so we will not write it again, only one time we have to write. R, T, after R, T is there, but T we had already written, so we will not write T. A, I, After I, n is there. N we had already written. M, E already written. N already written. P also. So these are the letters of the word entertainment. Now X set is also given. X set is A, I, R and T. So we have to draw Venn diagram. For Venn diagram, first of all, we have to check universal is given. Universal means we have to draw one rectangular box. First of all, we have to draw rectangular box, and here we have to write this is the universal set. Universal means whole. Whole means complete. Inside this X set also we have to show. So we have to make one circle and we have to write here this is X set. Now first of all we have to fill the elements of X. X elements are A, I, R and T. So here we have to write A, I, R and T. After that we have to fill the remaining alphabets of the universal. In the universal E is there. E we had not mentioned here till now in this circle. So we will write here E. N is also not over. N also we will write. T is over. T we had already written. Universal means whole. Whole means this circle also. So this circle also is coming inside the universal. So no need to write T again. R over. A over. I also over. M. M is remaining. That M we will fill here. So this is the Venn diagram for question number 11. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of this exercise number first B. Now we will come to revision exercise. Revision exercise question number first. Question number first of revision exercise. Question number first is, which of the following collection is a set? We have to identify which of the following are set. First part is 4 consecutive integers. 4 consecutive integers. 4 consecutive integers. Integer means positive numbers also and negative numbers also. Here one term is coming consecutive. Consecutive means continuous without leaving any number, continuous way. Suppose I have taken one number 5. So we have to write 5 integers after this. So we will write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Without leaving any integer, we have to write continuously. So such series is called consecutive. So he said we have to write 4 consecutive integers. But he did not say from where we have to start. As I had started from 5. I can start from 10 also. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like this. From 50 also I can start 50, 51, 52, 53. These all are integer. But he did not said in this question that from where we have to start writing the 4 integer. So that's why we will not be able to give answer. So we will say that it is not a set. It is not a set. Now second part. All prime numbers between 4 and 12. All the prime number between 4 and 12. So prime number, what are prime number? Prime number are those which are coming in a table of 1 or itself, as 5. 5 is coming in a table of 1 or in a table of 5. So like that we have to write prime number between 4 and 12. So between 4 and 12, which prime number will be there? 5, 7 and 11. These 3 numbers are prime number because they are coming in a table of 1 or in a table of themselves. So these three are prime number. So we got the answer. That's mean it is a set. Now come to question number 5th. Question number 5th. A set is given. A is equal to x such that x belong to W. Here in your textbook some correction is there, you just make it correct. A is equal to x such that x belong to is not written, you have to write x belong to W. W means whole number. And x square is less than 9. So first step is we have to use this statement. Here it is given x square is less than 9. So first of all we have to write it. We have to use this statement. In this statement you have to put the values of x. So first here it is given x belongs to W. W means whole number. So we have to put here whole number. So first whole number is 0. So first of all we have to put x is equal to 0. So here we will put 0. So 0 square is less than 9. 0 square is less than 9. 0 square means we have to multiply it 2 times. 0 multiply 0. 0 multiply 0 will be 0 is less than 9. Is this statement true? 0 is less than 9? Yes. That means this answer of x is correct. Now we will put x is equal to 1 here. 1 square is less than 9. 1 square means 1 multiply 1. Answer will be 1. 1 is less than 9. This statement is also true. That means this one answer we have to take. Next one is put x is equal to 2. So here we have to put 2. 2 square is less than 9. 2 square means 2 multiply 2. Answer will be 4. 4 is less than 9. Yes. That means this answer also correct. Next, put x is equal to 3. Here we have to put 3. So 3 square is less than 9. 3 square means 3 multiply 3 is less than 9. Is this statement true? No. 9 is not less than 9. 9 is equal to 9. So this answer of x is wrong. So final answer of A we have to write here now. In the set A we have to write x. What is x? X is 0, 1, 2. 3 is wrong, so we will not take 3. 0, 1 and 2. After that, in the question it is given B set. B is equal to x such that x belong to n and 2x is less than 9. So in this statement we have to write the value of x. X are natural number and 2x is less than 9. So we have to use this statement. What is this? 2x is less than 9. So what first of all we have to put the value of x. What are x? X are natural number. So first value we have to put x is equal to 1. So here no sign is there in between 2 and x. Since no sign is there, so we have to take 2 multiply x. So we have to put x is equal to 1. So it will become 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1 is less than 19. That means 2 is less than 9. 2 is less than 9. So is this statement true? Yes. 2 is less than 9. That means this answer of x is correct. Now next value we will put x is equal to 2. So here we have to put x value 2. 2 multiply 2 is less than 9. 4 is less than 9. Yes. That means this one also we have to take. Next value, put x is equal to 3. So here we have to put 3. 2 multiply 3 is less than 9. That means 6 is less than 9. Yes. So this value we have to take. Now put x is equal to 4. So here we have to put 4. 2 multiply 4 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9. Is this statement true? Yes. That means this x value is correct. Now after that we have to put x is equal to 5. When we will put here 5, answer will be 2 multiply 5, that means 10. 10 is less than 9. That statement will be wrong. So no need to solve it. Now we will write the answer of B. So B set is B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is set B, this is set A. Now C set is also given 1 and 2. A answer we got. A answer is 0, 1 and 2. This solution you have to show. This full work you have to show in your notebook. So A answer is 0, 1, 2. B answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then C is given 1, 2. D is also given 3, 4, 5 and 6. Which of the following are true and which are false? So we have to check whether the given statement is true or false. First part is A equal D. A equal B. Equal sign is there. Equal means all the elements of A and B should be same. What is A? 0, 1 and 2. D 3, 4, 5, 6 are the same? No. That means this statement is false. Now second part. Second part is B is equal to A. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. A is 0, 1, 2. Are they same? No. That's why this statement is also false. Third part. B equivalent D. B equivalent D. This sign is of equivalent. For this, what you have to find? You have to find cardinal number of B and after that cardinal number of B. Cardinal number of B. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 elements are there. So cardinal number of B is 4. D 1, 2, 3, 4. This cardinal number is also 4. So what you have to write? NB is equal to ND. Cardinal number of B and cardinal number of D are equal. So this statement is, so it is true. Now fourth part. C equal D. Equal sign is there. C 1 and 2. D 3, 4, 5, 6 are the same? No. That's why, that means we have to write here it is false. Next is also same. Seventh part is also same. In each part you have to do like this. Now see question number 7. Question number 7. Universal set is given X such that X belong to W. W means whole number. X plus 1 is less than 10. Equal to sign is also there. And A set is also given. A set. Before writing A, we have to solve this. First of all, this universal set is given in a set builder form. We have to write in roster form. So first of all, we will solve in roster form. We have to use this statement. What is this statement? Statement is X plus 1 is less than equal to 10. So here we have to put the values of X as we are done in previous question. Put X is equal to, what is X? Whole number. Whole number means we have to put 0 first. Here we will put 0. 0 plus 1 is less than equal to 10. 0 plus 1. Answer will be 1 is less than equal to 10. This answer is correct. That means we have to take. Now put X is equal to 1. Here we have to put 1. 1 plus 1 is less than equal to 10. 2 is less than 10. This is also correct. This one we will take. Put X is equal to 2. We have to put X is equal to 2. So 2 plus 1 is less than equal to 10. 3 is less than equal to 10. 3 is less than 10. Yes. So we will take this. Put x is equal to, after 2 we have to put x is equal to 3. So 3 plus 1 less than equal to 10. 4 is less than equal to 10. Is this true? Yes. So like this we will do. We have to put the values of x up to 3. After 3 we have to put 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this we will put till, we will put on till last value. Put x is equal to 9. Last value we have to put, first of all we put 0, then we will put 1, 2, 3, 4 also. We will put 5, 6, 7. All the work we have to show. Last value of x will be 9. So we will put here 9. 9 plus 1 is less than equal to 10. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 10 is less than 10? No. But here equal sign is there. 10 is equal to 10? Yes. That means this statement is also correct. After 9 we will put 10 value, but that answer will be greater. So this statement will be false. So we will not show that value. So we have to put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So final answer of universal will be 0, 1, 2 up to 9. All the values we have to write here. X is equal to 0 is correct, 1 is correct, 2 is correct, like that till 9 all the values are correct. So we have to write here 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Then in question it is given a is equal to 1, 3 and 9. A is equal to 1, 3 and 9. Show them by Venn diagram. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram. We have to draw Venn diagram. For Venn diagram what you have to do? First of all you have to draw universal set. Universal means you have to make one rectangular box for universal. This is the rectangular box for universal. Inside this rectangular box a set will also be there. So we have to write here. You have to make one circle and we have to write a set. Now you have to fill a first. First of all you have to fill a. What are the elements of a? 1, 3 and 9. So we will fill here 1, 3 and 9. So these elements 1, 3 and 9 are coming in a also and coming in universal also. So from universal 0 to 9 are there, but we will not take 1, 3 and 9 because we had already written. So what remaining elements are there? 0 is remaining, 1 is over, 2, 3 is over, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 is already over. So from 0 to 9 we have to write in the universal. Now you can check in this rectangular box all the elements are there from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the Venn diagram for question number 7. So like this you have to do the remaining part of this revision exercise.